opportune that this ceremony is occurring a few days before the 46th Independence Day anniversary. Profound joy and triumphant closure envelop the nation as we welcome home our ancestral relics consisting of the Chapungu, being the 8th and the last soapstone, great Zimbabwe bird. Congratulations. For far too long, this vital piece of our national soul and dignity resided in a foreign land, a silent testament to the colonial plunder that sought to strip us of our destiny. Our calls for justice have echoed through generations, and today, our brothers and sisters of the Republic of South Africa have answered us. We say thank you, thank you. On behalf of our Revolutionary Mass Party, ZANU-PF, the government and the people of Zimbabwe, I want to extend our nation's profound gratitude to my dear brother, His Excellency President Cyril Ramaphosa, the African National Congress of South Africa, as well as the government and the people of the Republic of South Africa, for their noble assistance. I say thank you to them. When I talked to my brother Cyril and said, my brother, if your neighbor loses his cattle and they come to your kraal, you don't only keep them, but you send the word to your brother to say your cattle are here with me and I'm protecting them. In the same spirit, you are protecting our item. Can we give it back? So, the cooperation of our brothers in South Africa in the repatriation of the Zimbabwe bird demonstrates the power of Pan-African solidarity. Our revolutionary unity and our shared commitment to justice and restitution. My dear countrymen and women, let us never forget the manner in which our sacred treasures were usurped and expropriated from us in the late 19th century. European colonizers descended upon the ancient city of Great Zimbabwe, a testament to our ancestors' ingenuity, and systematically looted these 8 soapstone birds. They were ripped from their pedestals and scattered across the globe. In 1981,